To view lesson plans on DC360, navigate to the Teacher tab and click on Lesson Plans. Select which class the lesson is to be taught to and which course the lesson belongs to. You are able to filter the checklist by student or teacher, by Key Stage, and then by course for Key Stage 4. Once everything is selected, click Load Lesson Plan, and you'll be able to see the lesson plans. There is an overview of the unit objectives and outcomes, and then a checklist of all the lessons. Clicking on a lesson will reveal the lesson plan. You are able to click on a section of a lesson to gain more information. Once that section of the lesson has been completed, you are able to tick it off. The lesson plan progress is saved per class, so if a different teacher was to view that class, they would be able to see the same progress. Finally, below the lesson plan, you are able to see the overall unit learning journey.